Yes. So last class we started the numericals of parallelogram law, how to solve the two vectors. We can add two vectors at a time only. Okay, not three vectors at a time. Only two vectors at a time by using parallelogram law of vector addition. Okay. Ankar?
Yes.
The greatest and least resultant of two forces at a point 10 newtons and 60 newtons respectively. The greatest resultant is 10 newton, least resultant is 6 newtons. Okay. You tell me what is the greatest, if A and B are vectors, tell me what is the greatest resultant will be?
A plus B.
So A plus B, how much they given?
16.
No, A plus B is how much initially? No, total resultant only they given. The
Okay.
greatest resultant, 10.
10, 10.
And least resultant,
6.
how much that is? A
A minus B.
is equal to 6. So पहले solve करो, A and B find करो.
1 minute. A equal to 8.
A is equal to 8. Okay. And B
B
is equal
equal
to
to 2.
uh, okay, we got this one. Now what is saying? If each force is increased by 3 newtons, so how much A will be?
11.
Okay, B will be
5.
5. Okay. And when the find the resultant of forces when the angle at 90 degrees.
Okay.
Find the resultant.
Sir, in terms of root, no?
Root only.
Okay.
Complete imaginary parallelogram. These are resultants are.
Root 146.
Yes, correct. So we done right. R is equal to under root this square plus this square. So 121 plus 25. That is root 146.
145.
Two equal forces have their resultant equal to other either. At what angle they are inclined? So two forces are same. Their resultant is also same of each other. At that point, may is trying to find angle.
So that means A plus B equal to A is equal to B.
A plus B equal to no no. Two equal forces. So मान लो A vector is F, B vector is also F. Two equal forces it told.
Okay.
Have the resultant equal to either. मतलब resultant is also F1.
Okay.
Is telling at what angle. So resultant formula you know right. So R is equal to under root A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2 into A into B is
F
F square
square.
cos theta. And F is R is also F. Now solve
Okay.
squaring both sides and so
One
find the
minute.
angle. Uh,
So theta equal to 120 degrees.
yes, cut 100 degrees. Theta is 1. Squaring का बोल सके तो रूट निकल जाएगा f square सॉल्व
Yeah.
किया तो we'll get two forces whose magnitudes are in the ratio 3:5 gives the resultant is 28 newtons. If the angle also given 60
So
degrees,
one minute
magnitude of,
also.
yeah, magnitude of each force. Solve करो.
Yeah. So done.
How much?
The first one is 3 into 4, 12,
Hmm.
and second one is 20.
Yes, correct. Very good. At what angle should the two forces vectors 2f and root 2f act so that resultant force is root 10f?
Okay. That root is only for 10, no?
Oh, yeah. And here also root 2.
Okay. It's 45 degrees.
45 degrees, huh?
Yeah. 1 by root 2 equal to cos theta.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So same formula, right? R equal to root of
Yeah.
a square. Two forces while acting on a particle in opposite direction have the resultant 10 newtons. If they act at 90 degrees, the resultant is much. Find the two forces. Two cases are given.
So can you solve it?
You tell me. Two forces while acting on a particle in opposite direction. So what is the
180
vector?
degrees.
A minus B is how much?
10.
A minus B is 10. Okay. First equation. Next.
A
If they're acting
uh,
A and B are perpendicular to each other.
root
So what is
of
the
a square plus b square equal to 50.
or R square or A square plus B square equal to R square? R
Yeah.
square 50 square. That is
Yeah.
2500. This is a resultant by using parallelogram law we got.
Yeah.
Now solve. Two variables, two equations. Substitute A is equal to B plus 10 in this equation and
Okay.
find the value of B.
So two values will get no.
A value and B value. B value how much you got?
B value 30 and minus 40.
Yeah, 30. Positive value will take. Okay. Next.
Uh,
B A value will be?
40.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Next. Two forces each equal to F by 2. Matlab two forces F by 2, F by 2. They're acting 90 degrees. Their effect can be neutralized by the third force acting on the bisector opposite direction. What is the magnitude of third force? Diagrams are important. Diagrams draw kar lo neatly. Brilliant. Two forces each of F by 2 are acting right angle to each other. So F by 2, F by 2. They're acting right angle to each other. इसका resultant कैसा रहेगा? You draw one line parallel to this line parallelly. The resultant is this one. Now the third force acting the bisector opposite direction to get neutralized. मतलब this resultant, the third force will be exactly opposite direction, right?
Yeah.
Then only it can cancel this vector.
Yes, sir.
That F3 value is how much you're asking. मतलब
Okay.
indirectly find the resultant. The resultant is nothing but F3.
Okay. Root of f by 2.
Root F by 2. No,
Yeah.
no wrong.
F by root 2.
F by root 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo. Now next one is triangle law of vector addition. So First one is the major one, parallelogram law. Always we have to use that only. Parallelogram law only. In all cases, we will use. Okay.
Yeah.
And now we'll see the triangle law. Triangle law क्या है? That when two vectors are represented as two sides of a triangle, that one is two sides of a parallelogram. These are two sides of a triangle in magnitude and direction taken in same order. Our intention very important. A wala we should take in same order. Then the third side of a triangle represents the magnitude and direction of the resultant vector taken in opposite order. So first write copy down.
Yeah.
I'll explain.
Yes, certain.
Suppose two vectors are there. One is like this vector. One is like this vector. A vector, B vector is there. I want to add by using triangle law. I want to add by using triangle law. So क्या करेंगे? So पहले same vector which not change the direction and magnitude is A vector. And here we will connect a B vector which not change direction, magnitude should be same. Okay, such a way that that should taken in the same order. Because this is the same order. मतलब head to tail we are connecting indirectly. We are connecting head to tail of the thing.
Okay.
Okay. Now, then the third side of a triangle represents the magnitude and direction of the resultant vector taken in opposite order. Because this is called same order. This is called same order. Then the
Yeah.
resultant will be starting point and ending point of the starting point tail and ending point head. We have to join. This is opposite order. Same
Okay.
order means this is A vector, B vector, and this is same order. But here we should not take same order. We should take opposite order. This is same. This is same order. ये वाला opposite order. And resultant angle कैसे आएगा पहले? Angle how to take? Where is the theta? Where I should take theta here in this में? Angle between two vectors
Left
A
side.
and B is theta. Huh?
Left side. No.
No, not this one. Huh?
Yeah.
No, we cannot take A and B angle, right? Not resultant and A I want.
Okay.
I want A and B. So we should not take head and tail, right? Extend karo aisa. This is theta. This is theta we are
So
taking.
in every case, we have to extend it until it is
Always
tail
tail
to
to
tail.
tail angle only should take. Head to tail angle we cannot take. Sometimes they'll take in triangle law में they'll tell to find the angle between two vectors. People क्या करेगा? They'll always find this angle. वो angle नहीं है.
Okay.
आपको subtract करना पड़ेगा. And this is alpha. And resultant का formula will be क्या आएगा? Under root same formula.
A
A
square
square
plus B square plus.
plus 2ab cos theta. And tan alpha will be b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. Head to tail connect करने वाला always in triangle law में. Same thing parallelogram में कैसे करेगा? A vector and B vector I will shift such a way that it should connect tail to tail.
Yeah.
ऐसे करके we'll do parallelogram. But triangle law में first we are doing.
Yeah, sir, done.
ओके, नाउ देखो डेरिवेशन मालूम है ना आपको, सेम डेरिवेशन एक्सटेंड करके वे टू सॉल्व। ओके, नाउ करो।
No.
Calculate the magnitude of resultant vector if two vectors p and q of 6 units and 8 units respectively make an angle 60 degrees. Do by triangle law.
Okay.
Now a and b is there, 6 and 8 making an angle 60 degrees. He's telling to find the resultant of two vectors.
Root 148.
Root 148. Kiana, what is the formula used?
A square plus B
You
square.
do the diagram. Diagram is important. Draw karo.
Okay.
This is 6 units. This is 8 units. 60 degrees. And this is the resultant. So root of 64 plus 36 plus 2 into 8 into 6 cos 60 is 1 by 2. If you solve root of
100 plus
148.
48. Yeah.
Chalo. Next. Karo. Do by triangle law. The resultant of A and B is perpendicular to the vector A and its magnitude is half of the magnitude of vector B. Find the angle between them. No karo. We're using triangle law use.
Sir, resultant we should take it as B by 2, no?
Resultant only magnitude is B by 2.
Okay. Sir, 60 degrees.
No, wrong.
Okay. Sir, can you solve it?
The resultant of two vectors A and B are perpendicular. The resultant is perpendicular to vector A, right? So
Yeah.
first diagram draw karo. This is a vector A. Resultant is like this, perpendicular to vector A. Can you tell me B vector कैसा रहेगा? If it is resultant, B vector can you tell me using triangle law?
Like hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. This is the B
B.
vector, right?
Yeah.
By we should take in the same order. The resultant will be taken in the opposite order. Okay. And ठीक है. What is given? The resultant value is how much? R is
B
equal
by
to
2.
B by 2. Okay, this is theta. Since right angle triangle, we can apply the trigonometry.
Okay. Okay.
Now, tell me, sine theta is equal to Opposite by,
B by 2 by B.
so theta is how much?
1 by 2, 30.
Uh, 30 degrees. Okay. You're asking what angle between A and B. Whether theta is the angle between A and B?
Yeah.
Uh, whether we'll take head and tail angle?
Okay. You have to extend it. 180
Uh,
minus theta.
how much that is?
160.
180 minus theta is 160.
150. 150. 150.
Uh, this is answer. This theta dash one. Theta is 150 degrees. So you should be very careful. आपको and you know even material में you send me first exercise, second exercise में vectors का, since you finished vectors there, right? Dot product, scalar product छोड़ दो. Other than
Okay.
that, first exercise, second exercise, patiently करो. One or two questions will be such a way that आपको वो आ गए तो all models will be covered. Easy हो जाएगा. Okay,
Okay.
don't hurry बरी करके ऐसे नहीं. Check करो answers also is there. Okay.
Okay.
चलो next. Next, last one is polygon law of vector addition. Polygon law of vector addition. This is nothing. No one will use this one. Actually, is nothing but part of the triangle law only. See, we can add only two vectors at a time by using triangle law and parallelogram, right?
Yeah.
But in polygon may we can add 10 vectors, 20 vectors, 30 vectors at a time only. Okay. But how means by using the triangle law only, step by step triangle law only. So what is the polygon law statement that? देखो, if several vectors are represented by sides of a polygon taken in order, like triangle law, we should take in orders. Then the resultant vector is represented by closing side of a polygon taken in opposite order. देखो, suppose you have vectors a vector, b vector, c vector, d vector. I want to add these vectors. Okay, so what we are doing is by using the same triangle law. See, first vector I am putting a vector. I should not change direction anything. I am putting a b vector. This देखो, I am using head and tail. That's called triangle law we are using. इसका
Okay.
resultant क्या होगा? इसका resultant will be like this,
Yeah.
taken in the opposite order. Okay, now again c vector I am taking and I am adding with the resultant of this one. Okay,
Okay.
so this is taken in the same order. The resultant will be taken in the opposite order. Now you got a plus b plus c. Now again d vector will take with this resultant. Again add the closing side of a polygon taken in the opposite order is nothing but resultant.
Okay.
Resultant is a plus b plus c plus d. मतलब how to do numericals में you have to do triangle law here apply triangle law root of a square plus b square plus 2ab use करके
Okay.
जो resultant आएगा again we have to do with other thing again triangle law again third time triangle law, so all we should apply triangle law and finally we'll get the resultant. There is only
Yes.
polygon law.
Okay.
Capital.
Yes, sir. Done.
चलो, now properties of vector addition. So addition पूरा done, we are left with properties. Properties क्या क्या properties है? One is commutative law of addition. So it obeys a plus b vector is equal to b plus a vector, right? Both are same, right? A plus
Yeah,
b karo, b plus a karo, the commutative property. And second property is associative property of addition. Tell me, what is associative property means?
like a plus b whole bracket c equal to, like that,
uh, Equal to what?
equal to a plus b plus c.
ऐसा देखो, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, both are same.
Yeah.
हाँ, कब बेटा?
Yes, sir, done.
Yeah, चलो, now subtraction of vectors. Addition पूरा done. So
Hmm.
I told you here vectors में what all things are there? Addition, subtraction and multiplication किया तो chapter पूरा हो जाएगा. Then kinematics we have to start. Okay. Now subtraction of vectors. क्या करेंगे देखो, subtraction of vectors. Subtraction के लिए you have to understand negative of vector. So for subtraction, you have to understand,
Opposite direction.
yes, negative of vector. So tell me, if a vector is like this, minus a vector will be
Opposite direction, 180.
like this. If a vector is like this, minus a vector will be,
Perpendicularly down.
this is called negative of vector. Okay. Now, how to do the subtraction of vectors, we have to know. So, what is the formula of subtraction of vectors? May tell me.
A plus whole bracket minus b.
Hmm. What is the formula for subtraction of vectors? To find resultant. Resultant के लिए what is the formula subtraction of vectors?
Root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta.
Suppose a vector is there, b vector is there, and angle between them is theta. So we have to find the resultant, but subtraction. We want to find here resultant क्या है? Subtraction. A vector minus b vector. We have to subtract. Okay. So उसके लिए I cannot let this देखो, a vector plus minus b vector I can write like this.
Yeah,
Okay. Now see, a vector is in this direction. What is minus b vector means direction? Diagram में कैसा?
like down.
मतलब b vector is like this, right? Minus
Yeah,
b vector will be in the like this. Okay. Now apply parallelogram law for this a and b. And what is this angle?
180 minus theta.
180 minus theta. So इससे parallel you draw one line. इससे parallel you draw one line.
Parallelogram law.
This is the resultant, right?
Yeah.
If this resultant is nothing but subtraction only. So what is the formula? R is equal to under root a square plus b square plus 2ab cos how
Theta.
much? No,
Like,
cos in दोनों का resultant, right? In दोनों का resultant. What is the
yeah,
angle?
180 minus theta.
180 minus theta. Okay. Now tell me. Cos 180 minus theta lies which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant में cos is positive, negative.
Negative.
So minus 2ab and 180 and 360 trigonometry ratio will not change.
Yeah.
This is the formula.
Okay.
Okay. And tan alpha will be, देखो इसका a का I am putting alpha. Tell me what is tan alpha? Same formula. B sin theta by
Divided by a plus b
a
cos.
minus b cos
Yeah, a
theta.
minus.
Because subtraction है ना?
Yeah.
मतलब if I use 180 minus theta here, it will become minus here.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you're substituting the formula, you have to remember in subtraction may we directly you're using this formula, right? Theta will be the angle between two vectors only. Again, don't substitute 180 minus theta when you're using minus 2ab.
Okay.
So whenever that formula use कर रहे हैं, directly take the theta angle between two vectors only. And here also theta angle between two vectors and b subtraction आएगा.
Okay.
Copy done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, चलो. So subtraction direct formula you have to use हो जाएगा directly. हाँ, करो. If two vectors of equal magnitude 2 are at 60 degrees to each other, find the magnitude and sum and difference. दोनों चाहिए. Each for each vector is 2 and angle between them is 60. So find the sum and difference. मतलब indirectly magnitude means mod a vector plus b vector चाहिए and दूसरा mod a vector minus b vector.
Yeah. Sir, done.
How much?
A plus B mod is 2 root 6. And A minus B is minus 2 root 2.
What is formula? Root of
A
a
square
square
plus B
plus
square.
b square plus 2ab means 4 into cos 60 is how much?
1 by 2.
So 2 to cancel. So 4 plus 4 plus 2, 4 is
Oh, wait, 1 minute. I took
करो, wrong.
2 root 3.
2 root 3. Second one करो.
Second one,
Hmm.
2.
2. आया?
Yeah.
A is 4, B is 3, is telling to find magnitude of A plus B and A minus B. But vector is asking, matlab angle also you have to find.
Okay. So 7 and 1.
How much?
7 and 1.
कौन सा 4 and 3 का 7 आया?
Yeah.
Okay. And angle?
120.
First one.
First one
A
16.
A minus B का?
120.
See, wrong. अच्छे से करो. फॉर्मूला कौन सा यूज करेगा A प्लस B का? R का फॉर्मूला A अंडर रूट A स्क्वेयर 16 प्लस B स्क्वेयर प्लस 2 इंटू 4 इंटू 3 cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. How much? 25 plus 12. So it is under root 47. This is the resultant of the A plus B ka. I'm talking about A plus B. So tan alpha will be B sin eta.
B
B sin
sin
eta means 3 sin 60 is 1 by 2 by A
A plus.
minus B cos 60. Cos 60 is cos
The
60 is A
sin
root
60
by
is
2,
root
1 by
two.
2.
1 by
Right?
2.
No solve. कितना होगा?
1 minute.
3 root 3 by 2 to cancel either 8 minus 3 is 5. So it's a normal value, right? So alpha is under root tan inverse 3 root
3.
3 by 5. No,
Sir,
कितना
but
A
we
minus
don't need to calculate that value, no?
no need.
Okay.
No A minus B करो. Magnitude neatly step by step करो. Don't do directly. See, this notes is helpful when you go last time में next year में ending of that chapter में you have 20 days or 1 month will be there. but notes पढ़ने का rough book में पूरा करने का खत्म.
Sir, that resultant value is root 37, no? Not 47.
Is that a?
Yeah,
That is one. Yeah.
that is. Minus 3 root 3 by 11.
कौन सा?
A minus B.
Resultant.
Resultant same, sir. 37 only.
Why? A minus B, A plus B formula same, huh?
No, first will be minus, and then cos 120 value is minus 1 by 2.
Cos 120 किधर से आ रहा है? Why you're getting 120? Tail to tail angle is how much? 60. Why you're telling 120? A minus B formula, tell me what is the formula? Subtraction of
A
vectors में.
square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta.
खत्म. All values are same, right?
Oh,
Cos
yeah.
60 also you know. But 120, 120 you're telling you like 120?
No,
Okay.
root 13.
Tan alpha. इधर A plus B sin theta by A plus B cos theta, right?
Yeah,
तो कितना होगा? 8 plus 3, 11, right?
yeah,
This is
3 root 3 by 11.
that one.
Uh,
Subtraction में.
1 minute.
B sin theta by A minus B cos theta.
3 root 3 by 5.
This is one. Okay. So
Okay.
these are the subtraction of vectors का. So आपका क्या होमवर्क है? फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड एक्सरसाइज का एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन का क्वेश्चंस पूरा करो नीटली
Okay.
एंड सेंड मी दैट वन एडिशन
Okay.
सब्ट्रैक्शन का